you guys? So for today's video, I'm gonna be taking the Supra to a track meet today. It's gonna be pretty lit, I hope. As you guys can see, I got my merchandise already. You know, I got the Supra shirt. So when I wear this, you know, increases my power by like 100 horsepower. So shout out to Tuner Coat. You know, they always have amazing things. And let's do it, you guys. So I'm gonna get at you guys. All right, you guys. So I'm almost there at the track. I got my boy up there in the G. Got my boy back here in the Subi. Pretty clean cars. We're rolling up deep. And just wanted to show you guys, look how nice it looks over here. It's a very nice scene. So I'm out here in Butte County, out here in Mexico. It's pretty lit out here. Damn, it's nothing but desert over here. Of course, there's always beauty within the storm. Looks really sick. All right, you guys. So we officially made it to the track. Got my boy over here in the back. Damn. Look at all these track-ready cars, though. We got the Stang. Got that nice-ass C8 Corvette. That's sick, that color. Damn. Yes, sir. Damn, bro, he's gonna catch flight. Go. Little Miata. The Miata that could. Damn. That's clean. Whoo, that wing is huge. Got a Shelby, a Subi. Damn, all these cars. All inspiring. Damn, so I'm here, you guys, just made it. I actually met a few Supra buddies. Super cool dudes. I know you guys remember this one from my last video. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Then my little Supra. Then my boy Subi. Just that Phantom right there, man. That Phantom silver is sick, man. So far, so good. I mean, there's a lot of cars today. I'm excited about this one. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get a close-up for you guys. Damn. Damn. This thing screams out. Full-on race car. This is that Ricky Bobby right here. You guys see that C8 over there. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of today's event. It's gonna be pretty sick. I know you guys see this color right here. I was to ever wrap the Supra, it would be in between this color, I mean, or like a nice dark gray. Like, this is super, super sick. Damn. Before the Supra, originally, I actually wanted to get a C8, but in this exact color. Unfortunately, I couldn't find one. But hey, seeing it in person, man, damn. It's amazing. It's amazing what Chevy does. It's just amazing. All right, you guys, so quick question. So you guys prefer that C6 Corvette, that's the Z06 over there, the C7s, or the C8 that I just showed you guys? You know, you couldn't go wrong with either one. And when it comes to, like, let's say, look at this Mustang right here. Right there, it's sick. Damn, no hood? Woo! Miata's looking clean. BMW gang. So yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna take this time to let you guys know, and I actually wanna know, what do you guys want from me in this YouTube channel? Like, what do you guys wanna see more? What is it that you guys consider cool or not boring? Like, your feedback is always highly, highly appreciated. Like, it would just help me make better YouTube channels for you guys to see. And obviously, I would truly, truly appreciate that. And as always, whatever you guys tell me in the comment section, let me know. I'll go ahead and do my best to create that vision that you guys have. And like I say, I mean, I'm just starting off in this and I'm already loving it. And like the saying goes, you know, if you love what you do, you don't ever have to be pushed. So fortunately, I love this car scene. I love anything that has to do with cars, and I'm pretty sure whoever follows me and whoever subscribed to me and whoever's going to subscribe to me feels the same way too. So yeah, thank you guys, I truly appreciate it. So one thing I can tell you guys is the Shelbys, anything that has to do with Shelbys, always gonna be my favorite Mustang. These were absolutely insane, man. I originally, before the Supra, I originally also wanted to get one of these. Like, I had my options open. But unfortunately, since literally this is gonna be the final year that they're gonna make them, it's, they went up to like 100 grand. So brand new base was like 72,000 for a Shelby GT350, and then an R was like 80 something thousand. But unfortunately, since this is the last year of production, they went up to like 100 grand. So that's crazy. So check these out. Look at this Porsche. That's tight. Man. Student driver. Yes, sir. Man. It's super, super tight. Alright, you guys. So I came to a different location. This is actually the second track. There's 5 tracks here. And right now I'm just looking at a little Miata show. I mean, look at this view. Woo! Look at that. Pretty sick. It's crazy how fast these cars go. That's insane. Go, little one, you got it. Woo! All right, you guys. So we about to hit this track right now with my boy. It's gonna be lit. So let's do it. Enjoy.
Gotta get the car warmed up first. Reminds me of racing in Le Mans when I was 5 years old.
Yes, sir.
bowl.
The bowl.
The fish bowl, because we're in the fish bowl.
So yeah, for those of you guys that don't know, this track right here that we are in is called the Fish Bowl.
This is Streets of Willow, counterclockwise.
Yes, sir.
22nd, my birthday, baby.
Yes, sir. All right.
Don't eat your ass, huh?
Woo.
Top of the rocks. That's not the place to pass, bro.
That was a sick ass overtake though. Warm up. Yeah, that warm up lap is over.
Get it, bro.
Let's do it.
Right here.
There we go.
Now we're gonna bring it up some speed, baby.
Man, I am really impressed with how well this Charger handles. Woo! Got a little fishtail back there.
Keep it easy though, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let the brakes.
What, these come with Brembos? Brembos.
110 right there.
Woo!
Lap time 137.
137. It's a good lap time. Let's see what's up with this Subi.
Alright, hanging in there, bro. Good?
Yes, sir.
How you like the boat?
This boat can move, man.
Royal Caribbean, huh?
This thing can sail.
Cruises, bro.
This thing can sail. All right.
Gotta go on the outside.
Yeah, bro, give me some. Good job. So yeah, you guys, that was a pretty sick lap. We did a warm-up lap, then we went ahead and did the hot lap, and we did pretty well. I think we hit what? It was a minute and 32?
Yeah, minute 37.
Minute 37, okay. Perfect, man. You did an amazing job.
Cool.
Yes, sir. So what is going on, you guys? So I just literally got out of the track. As you guys can see, it was fun. I mean, we were in the experience level actually with that track. and I came across one of my buddies' STI. This one makes like roughly 520-ish to the wheel. That's fast. So I thought I'd share this with you guys. So all this, he's got pairing parts, powder coated. This is amazing, man. This is a shop, by the way. So if you guys are interested in modding your Subarus, your STIs, WRXs, this is the man right here. It's Subi Dreams. So if you guys are looking for a good mechanic for these cars, definitely hit up my boy. He does amazing work. And just look at this wrap though. Sick. But overall, you guys, it's a beautiful day, and there's still more content, to come. All right, you guys, so that pretty much sums up this entire video. I had an amazing day today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. And as always, stay too icy and stay blessed. See you later, guys.